Hey everybody, time for not only your monthly market update, but also your first quarter of 2019 update. The results are in, dun dun dun, and it's about what we expected. Interestingly for Calgary, the months of supply is down slightly, and interestingly as well, the number of new listings that was expected to come on in these first 3 months is lower than what we thought it might be. And what that's translating into is there are still buyers out there, but there's also a lot of product that is still out there on the market. So with no new listings coming on, that should mean that if some of that supply does get purchased and come off the market, that might change things a little. On the semi-detached and row house side of things, you're seeing a slight uptick in sales there, but it's still slow going. And then the benchmark price has eased slightly down to about 414,000 here in the city. Interesting stat that they put out that I think is really worth noting is not only are detached sales down 9% for essentially this first quarter of 2019, but they're down 30% based on year over year same time comparisons. So that leads me to believe that there are people that are waiting to see still what this market is going to do. We've got elections coming up provincially that might change things and get some people off the fence. The lower end price points seem there's been an uptick in sales there. That seems to be where some of the more steady amounts, if you will, of sales are happening. And then upwards of that 6, 7, 8, 900,000 and into the luxury market, that is definitely seeing some decline in numbers, some adjusted prices still, and the dust settling, if you will, because a lot of people that are trying to quote unquote get a deal on those properties, they're looking and they're certainly waiting, but they're looking, and when they do decide to buy, it seems to be at prices that are definitely adjusted.